Good evening. It is February 2nd, 2017. We are doing 2016-17 Upper Deck Black Diamond Hockey one box break number 109. Before we open up this one box break, let's go to random.org to see how many times we randomize the names and teams with the dice roller. Here's the list of names. Here's the list of teams. So let's roll the dice. 2 and a 5. Lucky number 7. 7 times on the names first. Here they are. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it was a 7, right? 5, 6, 7. Yes. 6. 7th and final time. Good luck. 7 times. Ryan at the top. And Greg at the bottom. So there it is. Now 7 times on the teams. Good luck, everyone. We're trying to see if AAA Weird and Todd is not going to get the Carolina Hurricanes in this break. This is a theory we're trying out. Moment of truth, as Derek just said. Moment of truth. Is AAA Reardon going to get the Carolina Hurricanes? All right, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th and final time. Good luck. 7 times. All right, let's see. St. Louis Blues at the top. Ottawa Senators at the bottom. We're just gonna, let's see, I'm gonna look at this right now. Ah, it didn't work. Yes, the theory is proven. Todd, you must change your name to AAA. I already skipped. I just went right to your names. So Ryan, you have the St. Louis Blues. Marlon, you have the Minnesota Wild. Ryan P with the Tampa Bay Lightning. Nathan with the Boston Bruins. Ryan P with the Montreal Canadiens. Jason K with the Dallas Stars. Steven with the Edmonton Oilers. Chris W with the San Jose Sharks. Marlon with the Florida Panthers. Nathan with my Los Angeles Kings. Brian with the Colorado Avalanche. Jason K with the Detroit Red Wings. Ryan P with the Vancouver Canucks. Jason K with the New York Rangers. Ryan P with the Carolina Hurricanes. Marlon with the Pittsburgh Penguins. Nathan with the Buffalo Sabres. AAA Reardon with the Arizona Coyotes. Brian Matoy, One Spot Mojo with the Toronto Maple Leafs. Jason K with the Winnipeg Jets. Ryan with the Columbus Blue Jackets. Steven with the Washington Capitals. Chris W with the Calgary Flames. Marlon with the Nashville Predators. Greg with the Chicago Blackhawks. AAA Reardon with the Philadelphia Flyers. Ryan P with the New York Islanders. Nathan with the New Jersey Devils. Ryan P with the Anaheim Ducks. And Greg with the Ottawa Senators. So I'm going to pause the video really quick, guys, to see if there is any trades. And if not, we'll come back and open up this one box break of Black Diamond Hockey. So stick around. Welcome back, everyone. There were a lot of trade offers, but no trades happened. So here's the list again. Black Diamond one box break number 109. All right, guys. So 2 boxes remaining out of the 5. Box 2 and 4. So quickly, let's go back to random.org to see which box is generated. So we can only generate a 2 or 4. If any other number pops up, we're just going to regenerate to a 2 or 4 pops up. So that is right above me. Good luck. 5. Box 5 is not available, so let's regenerate that again. Box 1, that's not available. There it is, box 4. There it is, box 4 is generated. So this is the box we're doing here. Box 2 is going to be for break 110, which one box break of Black Diamond Hockey 110 is in the store. If you guys want to get that one going, that is the last box of the master case. Jaspy's HobbyLand.com. Alright, guys. Good luck. This was a bonus pack. Cover up the hits right there. Good luck, everyone. First hit, Corey Schneider for the New Jersey Devils. That's 190 of 249. New Jersey Devils. Nathan with that hit. Dallas, there you go. First hit of the break. Championship rings. That's Bew Bennett for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Pittsburgh. That's Marlin with the hit. Black Diamond signature play cards. That's Jacob Trouba, auto for the Winnipeg Jets. Winnipeg Jets, that is Jason K. Next one. Diamond Mine Relics. Sam Bennett for the Calgary Flames. That's 11 of 199. Calgary Flames. That's Chris W. There you go, Chris. Whatever, Nathan. I always like it, though, that you always correct me, though. That way I can get it right. And the last hit of the box before the Exquisite Bonus Pack. For the Edmonton Oilers. That's 149 of 199. That's Jesse Puyarvi. Rookie Gems. Edmonton Oilers. That's Stephen Arthur. All right, guys. Exquisite Bonus Pack is next. Good luck. Oh. Wow, check that out. Rookie dual material. That is Austin Matthews. 13 of 25. Look at those patches in there. Sweet looking card. Nice. One Spot Mojo. The Matoy Brothers Strike. That's Brian Matoy. Right there. There you go, Brian. There you go. That was it, folks. That was a one-box break. Black Diamond Hockey, one box number 109. Number 10, actually 1010. Box 110 is in the store. If you guys want to get that going, jaspyshockeyland.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.